Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, go ahead and hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell so you don't miss out on more awesome content like this. Today, we're diving deep into a topic that I'm incredibly passionate about. Turning your innovative ideas into real income, right where you are. We're talking about becoming an entrepreneur, and I've got a truly inspiring story to share, along with 5 actionable ways you can start making money as a new entrepreneur. You know, many people dream of starting their own business, being their own boss, and building something from scratch, and that's amazing. But what if I told you there's another powerful path to innovation and impact, one where you leverage existing resources, networks, and stability? That's the world of entrepreneurship. It's about being an entrepreneur within an established organization. It's about spotting opportunities, solving problems, and creating value that not only benefits your company, but also fuels your own growth and, yes, your bank account. Let me tell you about Sarah. Sarah worked at a mid-sized tech company. She wasn't a founder. She was a senior software engineer. For years, she'd noticed a recurring frustration among her colleagues. The onboarding process for new hires was clunky, inefficient, and often left new team members feeling overwhelmed and underprepared. It was costing the company time, money, and morale. Most people just complained about it over coffee. But Sarah? She saw an opportunity. She didn't just complain. She started observing, interviewing new hires, and even sketching out a more streamlined, interactive onboarding platform in her spare time. She saw a problem, and she envisioned a solution. This wasn't in her job description, but it was a challenge she felt compelled to tackle. It wasn't about leaving her job to start a new company. It was about bringing a startup mindset into her current role. This is the heart of entrepreneurship. It's about being an innovator, a problem solver, a value creator, right where you are. Sarah spent weeks, then months, refining her concept. She built a small prototype using tools she already knew. She even gathered feedback from a few new hires and senior managers, who, to her surprise, were incredibly receptive. They saw the potential. She wasn't asking for a promotion yet. She was just sharing an idea that could genuinely help the company. Her passion and detailed plan were contagious. Eventually, she put together a formal proposal, outlining the problem, her solution, the resources needed, and the potential ROI for the company in terms of reduced training costs, faster ramp-up times, and improved employee retention. She presented it to her department head, then to senior leadership. It wasn't an easy road. There were questions, skepticism, and budget concerns. But Sarah, armed with data and an unwavering belief in her project, persevered. And guess what? Her idea got approved. Not only that, she was given a small team and the resources to develop it. The new onboarding platform was a huge success. It transformed how the company brought in new talent, saving them hundreds of thousands of dollars annually. Sarah, through her entrepreneurial spirit, didn't just solve a problem. She became an invaluable asset, driving innovation from within. Her career trajectory skyrocketed. She received significant bonuses tied to the project's success, and she gained an incredible amount of influence and respect within the organization. Sarah's story is a powerful reminder that you don't always need to quit your job to innovate and create impact. You can be an entrepreneur right where you are. So, inspired by Sarah, let's explore 5 concrete ways you can make money as a new entrepreneur. First up, monetize your problem-solving skills. Think about it. What common frustrations or inefficiencies exist in your current workplace? Is there a process that could be automated, a software feature that could be improved, or a communication gap that could be bridged? Your company is already paying you for your expertise. By proactively identifying and solving these internal problems, you're not just doing your job, you're adding immense value beyond your standard duties. How does this make you money? Well, a successful solution often leads to cost savings, increased revenue, or improved operational efficiency for the company. When you can demonstrate a clear return on investment from your initiative, you position yourself for significant bonuses, project-based compensation, or even a promotion to a more influential, higher-paying role where you lead these types of innovations. Document the problem, propose a solution with clear benefits, and track the results. This is your entrepreneurial pitch. Second, develop and launch new internal products or services. Many companies have internal needs that aren't being met by existing solutions. Can you envision a new tool, a new training program, or even a new internal service that would significantly benefit your colleagues or another department? For example, maybe your sales team struggles with data analysis. Could you build a custom dashboard or a small internal application that automates part of their reporting, saving them hours each week? Or perhaps there's a need for specialized training that's currently outsourced. Could you develop and deliver that training internally? If your product or service creates significant value internally, your company might reward you with a special budget to develop it, a share of the cost savings, or recognition that elevates your professional standing, leading to better compensation. This is about spotting unmet internal demands and fulfilling them. Third, optimize existing operations for cost savings or revenue generation. This is a classic entrepreneurial move. Look for areas where your company is spending too much money or missing out on potential revenue. Can you renegotiate a vendor contract? Can you streamline a supply chain? Can you identify a niche market your company isn't currently serving, but could easily pivot into with existing resources? Even small optimizations can lead to big savings or increased profits. When you present a well-researched proposal that clearly outlines how to save or generate X amount of dollars, and then you lead the initiative to make it happen, your value to the company becomes undeniable. This often results in performance bonuses directly tied to the financial impact of your initiatives. Companies love people who can directly impact the bottom line, and they're usually willing to reward them handsomely. Fourth, lead a cross-functional innovation project. Don't limit your ideas to just your department. Entrepreneurs often act as catalysts, bringing together people from different teams or departments to tackle a shared challenge or pursue a new opportunity. Perhaps a marketing problem could be solved with a technical solution, or a product development challenge could benefit from insights from the customer service team. By taking the initiative to identify these opportunities for collaboration, pitching the idea to relevant stakeholders, and then leading the project, you demonstrate leadership, strategic thinking, and the ability to drive complex initiatives. This kind of high visibility, high impact work is a direct path to promotions, increased salary, and a more influential role within the organization. You're not just doing your job, you're shaping the future of the company. Finally, and this is a big one, become a specialist consultant for internal departments. As you develop expertise in your entrepreneurial ventures, you might find that other departments or even other branches of your company could benefit from your unique skills and insights. Can you package your knowledge and offer it as an internal consulting service? For instance, if you successfully implemented a new data analytics system for your department, could you then consult with other departments to help them do the same? Or if you developed a highly effective internal training module, could you then offer to customize and deliver it to other teams? This might involve a formalized internal consulting role, project-based compensation for specific engagements, or even a percentage of the savings or revenue generated by the departments you help. You become a highly sought-after internal expert, increasing your value and, consequently, your earning potential. So, there you have it. 5 powerful ways to make money as a new entrepreneur. Remember Sarah's story. She didn't wait for permission to innovate. She saw a problem, envisioned a solution, and then, with persistence and strategic planning, turned her idea into a massive success for her company and a huge boost for her own career. You have that same potential. Look around your workplace today. What problems can you solve? What opportunities can you uncover? What value can you create? Being an entrepreneur isn't just about making more money, though that's certainly a great benefit. It's about personal growth, making a significant impact, and feeling truly engaged and valued in your work. It's about being a change maker from within. I really hope this video has sparked some ideas for you. If it has, please hit that like button, Share it with a friend who needs to hear this, and let me know in the comments below what entrepreneurial ideas you're thinking about pursuing. I love hearing from you all. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.